So my wife wants a home alarm system that she can turn off and on from her cell phone. So she ordered some pieces, and I think we have the right parts here. First of all, she wanted a loud strobe with a flashing light. That's this. So she ordered a mini strobe siren. It's rated for input from 9 to 12 volts DC, wired strobe. So how do we get this to work with our home voltage? We buy a voltage adapter, which runs off of probably 100 to 240 volts, and then it has an output in direct current with a selector on the back, 3, 4.5, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 12, and it comes with a little key. So we will set that to 12 volts. We could probably set it to 9. That's going to be awfully loud. And one nice thing about this particular adapter is it comes with this set of different inputs, and one of these is good for just the wires that come right off the strobe. So apparently we'll just plug this adapter onto the end of this here, like this, and I will take a wire stripper, strip a little more bare wire, and plug this into here, set it with the screws. Then she wants to be able to turn it on and off with her phone. That's where this Wyze plug adapter comes in. We have Wyze cameras all throughout our home, so if she sees anything suspicious going on in the house or an intruder, she can turn this very loud siren on with this right in the wall. So we're going to put it together and test it out. So as I look at the wires on the end of this, they appear to already be tinned, or maybe they're solid so they don't need re-tinned. So I'll just strip off about a 1/4 inch gently. Careful not to damage the wire. There we go. Yeah, so they are stranded, but they're tinned on the end. So we'll use that and try to not have to recut them. It's important with wire strippers that you don't clip all the way through the insulation so as to not damage the wire, and just pull that off. And then I will set that in here. There is a positive and negative on here. And I will need a small screwdriver for these set screws back here. We'll see if this one works. I need a larger head. That's right. That works there. We'll just use maybe the flat end. Back these screws out a little bit. So that one's set. The black one. Good, all right, so you set the red to the positive, the black to the negative. I don't think it matters in this situation, but we did that right. Then this will plug into here. Now she will plug this into the wall. We'll plug this into here. We'll go in the other room and she'll turn it on, and we'll see if this screams bloody murder. Okay. So. Okay, we're on 12 volts.
Not yet, not yet.
Why don't we start by testing it at 9 volts, and then we can turn it up to 12, just to be on the safe side.
Hey, wait. You need to plug that first. The Wyze first. I need to test.
All right, we've installed this alarm. We got it somewhere where you can't easily unplug it or disconnect it, and my wife is going to test it. Here's the alarm up there. We're going to turn it on here. Go. There it is. Nice and loud. Then we can turn it off. That was a successful test.